Hi everyone, welcome to our today's lesson. Today's lesson we are going to discuss the financial statement analysis. So financial statement analysis provide the information about the financial activities and the financial position of the firm. So in this case we are saying in your day-to-day activity you have to do the analysis of your accounts. You have to do the analysis of the activities that we are doing in the farm. So for instance, you have to do the analysis of the balance sheet. The analysis of the balance sheet will be provide you with the information of the true picture of your financial status. For instance, it will give you the assets that you have, the current assets that you have, the non-current assets that you have, that you are working with in day-to-day activity. So in this case, it will assist you to understand well what you have in your farm. Another analysis that you are supposed to do in your day-to-day activity is the profit and the loss statement. So profit and loss statement will assist you to have the information of whether you are making profit or you are not making profit. And the other one is a cash flow. This cash flow you will be able to know the cash that you have received and how you have spent this the cash. I'm going to start with the balance sheet. So balance sheet indicates the financial condition of a farm at a specific point and at a specific time. So it contains the information of the assets and the liabilities. So we have the assets. The assets of the farm include the equities and the liabilities. Assets, these are the economic resources of the property owned by the farm, and therefore we have two types of assets. So we have fixed asset and the current asset. Current assets are things that like cash, things like transferable, things like stock, and the work in progress. So work in progress, these are the, let's say for instance you have a production plant, and you are doing production, and you have bought some material to produce goods and services. You find that at a certain point these goods are not in the state of they are not finished, they are not in completion. So we are in that case we are saying that the items are, yes, you have the assets, but the asset is in work in progress position. So afterwards we find that in at the end of production we will be able to have the finished good that we are now going to sell in the market. Fixed assets, we have said that these are the long-term assets. These are which are tangible, things like machinery, building, and the equipment. So this is intangible fixed assets of the farm. These are the assets that the directors of the farm has ownership, and they have the right to use them. So in this case we are saying fixed asset is a things like building that you use in your day-to-day activity to generate income. Then the other thing that we need to analyze is the liabilities. Liabilities of the farm, these are the obligation of the farm that the farm has to pay in future. So these liabilities, these are the items. Really saying, for instance, you are bought goods and you are bought them in credit, so you have to pay these goods in future. So these are the current liability. Then the long-term liability, these are the things that you have them in the farm, you are using them, but you have not paid them in full. They say, for instance, when you have bought a machinery and you have not paid in full, so this will fall under long-term liability. Current liabilities include accounts payable, outstanding expense, and advances from customers. Advances from customers, these are the let's say for instance a customer needs something and he has paid in advance. In this case, you have the cash for customer, but you have not dispatched the good to the customer. So in this case, you are saying that these items are these items are the advance, which means you have taken the cash from customer and you have not provided the item to the customer. You also have, in the current liability, we also have the provision for tax, and you also have the provision for dividend. For today, thank you for watching, and my name is CPA ODERO.